You guys ever heard the George Box quote, all models are wrong, but some models are useful? That's a great way to think about science. We're trying to explain the world around us with a limited perspective on what we can see and know, okay? And I don't think George Box has done the thing that most old-timey statisticians have done, which is something incredibly racist or sexist, so I'm going to still quote him. I think he's more contemporary, so I think we should be safe. I don't think he's measuring skulls or anything. So what we did is two different types of analyses. We looked at it relative to kilograms of fat-free mass, or lean mass, if you will, and then body mass. So that's why the shape of the data changes a little bit, because in some cases you had someone very high-ish in body fat, consuming what looked to be a high-protein diet, but actually, when you compare it to their lean mass, it's a really high-protein diet, or vice versa, okay? Now, importantly, this is, to some degree, a constrained perspective, because to even be a study that we included, you had to not be a very high body fat percentage. We kept it to what we would probably describe as people not with obesity, if you will, okay? And we did some moderator analyses, which, just like when you do chop and change in categories, it reduces the number of comparisons you have, so it increases uncertainty. But some of them had some pretty good certainty looking at the actual data that makes me think it's probably legit that we're going to talk about.